Brushing off, unpacking the phrase. Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to delve into the English phrase, brush off. If you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Firstly, think about the action of brushing something off your shoulder, maybe some dust or a tiny insect. It's a swift motion to get rid of something. When taken literally, brush off refers to physically removing something by brushing it away with your hand. Now, English speakers often use brush off in a figurative sense. When you brush someone off, it means you're disregarding them or treating them as unimportant. It could be ignoring someone's comments, feelings, or even the person themselves. For example, he tried to share his feelings with her, but she just brushed him off. She asked for help, but everyone brushed her off. In these examples, the people are not being physically brushed away. Instead, they're being ignored or not taken seriously. Here are a few more examples to help you understand how to use brush off in conversations. I tried to give my opinion, but I was brushed off by the team. You shouldn't brush off others' concerns so quickly. Remember, the phrase can be used in both positive and negative contexts, although it's more common in situations where someone feels ignored or dismissed. Sometimes it's helpful to know synonyms or other phrases that convey a similar meaning. Here are some synonyms for brush off: dismiss, ignore, overlook, snub, rebuff. For example, he tried to join their conversation, but they snubbed him. The manager often dismisses the concerns of junior employees. And there we have it. The phrase, brush off, is versatile and can be used in various contexts in English. I hope this has helped you understand its meaning and usage better. Always keep learning and practicing, and remember, language is the bridge to understanding. Until next time,